Teaching speed and velocity. So what is speed? It's a scalar quantity that signifies only the magnitude of the rate of change of an object's movement. And what is velocity? It is the vector quantity that signifies the magnitude of the rate of change in position and also the direction of an object's movement. The formula and unit for speed. If we finding for distance, we will use the formula speed times time. If we are finding for time, we need to use distance over speed. And if we are finding the speed, the formula is speed is equals to distance over time. We have here the first example for the speed. If a tricycle covered 2.3 kilometers in 5 minutes, what is its average speed? We are looking for the average speed, so the formula is equals to distance over time. 2.3 kilometers in 5 minutes cannot be divided, so we will convert them into meters and into seconds. 2.3 kilometers is 2,300 meters and 5 minutes is 300 seconds. Now, 2,300 meters divided by 300 is 7.67 meters per second, and that is the average speed of the tricycle. Example number 2. Now, we are finding for the distance. The formula is speed times time. The speed is 2.9 meters per second and the time is 25 seconds. Just multiply them and the answer is 72.5 meters. That is how far the car tire rolls along the street alley. As you can see, it's so easy peasy. Next, let's move on to velocity. This is the unit and formula for velocity. Take note, speed and velocity has the same formula. Just replace all speed into velocity and replace distance into displacement. Velocity example number 1. As I said earlier, speed and velocity has the same formula. So we are looking for velocity. A car travels at uniform velocity at a distance of 100 meters east in 4 seconds. What's the velocity of the car? The formula is d over time or distance over time. 100 meters divided to 4 seconds is 25 meters per second. So the velocity of the car is 25 meters per second to the east. Example number 2. Ashong traveled 370 kilometers west to a friend's house. He traveled for 5 hours. What was his average velocity? We are looking again for average velocity. So the formula is distance over time again. 360 kilometers over 5 hours is equals to 74 kilometers per hour. So the average velocity is 74 kilometers per hour to the west. Let us have a practice exercise here. I'll give you time to answer the problems. So this is the answer.